So I've just got in from work and I thought, why not come and check the lorry? We've had a hell of a lot of rain today. It's been absolutely smashing it down. You can see the puddles everywhere and all the rain on the screen. I thought, wow, that'll be a good test for my my sealant that I did. And as you can see, bone dry all the way around the cab. So I'm really happy with that. That's the way that's turned out. So no leaks at all now in the truck. I'm not thinking about a seat up there very much, but bone dry, no wet patches, and that was with all that rain that we've had today. So definitely happy with that. Here we are then, guys. Welcome back to Dazzer Lucy, the Foden project. So we're here going to try and see if we can fix the seat. You see that little split? There's air coming out of that. That's all it is, I think, this seat problem. So we bought a new one. It comes with all the gubbins and everything. Well, apparently these should just push on, according to a video I've just watched, but I can't get the bugger on. Have I got the wrong size pipe here or something? Yeah, where's the black piece gone? Ah, yeah, it does. They do go on, but obviously I'm having problems because it's such a fiddly little one to put it onto. Christ, they're all good to get on and off. So let's open that one up now. Maybe it'll go on easier. Ah! Yes, it's on. Right, okay. See if we can get this collar to go on a bit more. I think that's got it. There we go. So, the grey one goes on the top, grey to grey. The trouble is it's it's moving and I'm trying to connect it. This is so awkward, I can't tell you how awkward this is. And now that, oh no, where's that gone, that collar? Oh brilliant, that's just dropped down in the bloody seat there. I think I've got it. Can't believe it, can you? Have I got it? Yeah, I've got it. But that needs cleaning out, that does. Put this light back so you can see a bit. Well, I can see a bit as well because it's getting so dark. I mean, it's literally like 6:30 and it's dark. Push on. Ah, there we go. That's pushed right on. There we go. Right, these are all on. All the pipes are reconnected. And right, I've got to test it now. I'm going to have to fire her up. Right, the air is building up. It's gone 7 o'clock and I'm making a hell of a racket, so I've just got to be mindful of my neighbours. So after running her for a bit and attempting to adjust the seat, it's not going up. She built air up. I'm gonna have to check my thing here in a minute, but that hasn't worked. Something's not right. Whether I've whether I've piped these things up right, I don't know. Put this wood here so you can see what I'm have problems with. But something's still not right. I'll come back to you, but I've got to reference these pipes and make sure I've put them on right. So yeah, I completely this up. Completely it up. I have put this on the wrong way, totally. This thing, this little plastic white thing, should be the other way around. In other words, it should be that way. This little notch should be inside the metal of one of those to hold it in place. And that's why it was moving around on me. So I'm going to take it off, and it's going to be so awkward now with all this seat plastic in the way. I really have this up. Well and truly this up big time. That goes in that hole, and then that screw goes in there, look. But the trouble is, look, I've got it the other way round. Oh, I'm going to end up breaking it in a minute, I know I am. It's just going to, one of these is going to snap off. Almost got the blue one off. There we go, that's the blue one off. I haven't broke it, have I? No. Still attached in one. There we go, that's that one. Come on, grey one. There we go. Right, have I damaged it? Damaged my thumb. Press that back in, that'll be alright. Bit of oil in there, that'll fine. I'll be fine. Right. So it's got to be that way round. Oh dear me. Alright, I've got a different angle now, but basically I just had to put them on with my phone, referencing which way the pipes went and how they went on. So hopefully now, with all these in the correct position, I can screw this back on and hopefully the seat will work. This has been an absolute pig for the first job. Right, no wonder that notch is on the back, so that goes in there to stop it turning when you're trying to push the pipes on and stuff. So that's tightened up. Right, let's put this bit of block of wood up here again, and then hopefully I can just slide these. There we go. That's it. Look at that. Those collars slide over. So if I can get that tight. Ow. Tight. Right, there we go. So I think there's still air in the system. I don't want to start her up again because I'm going to annoy the neighbours. Yes! Look at that! It works! Ha ha ha! Success! In the end! Oh, hang on, I'm hearing air leaks again. Why am I hearing air leaks again? Yeah, it's doing what it's doing before. That wasn't the problem. Still got a leak. Can you hear that? I can hear it, yeah. See what happens is it just continually goes up and down. Like this, see? It'll drop down and then it'll go back up again, but I don't know what that is. Something in here that is leaking. I don't know what it is. I've just got to be careful, because if this drops I'm going to have my fingers off, and that's going to make a gory video, not a good video, a gory one. So I'm going to try and find out, with taking the phone out of my hand, which pipe is leaking here, because as you can see, this is the problem I'm having, is it just keeps going up and down. So let's I'll come back to you in a minute. I found the leak. I found it. If I can get you in here with the light. Hang on. So right there, you can see it now. Right, there's a leak, and if I can get my hand in there. So I've got a block in wood in here, so can you see on that brown pipe, up where my finger is here, there's a split in the pipe just there, and it's just enough so the air leaks out. and that makes the seat go up and down. So what I'm gonna have to do is take this off and just cut it here and then reattach it, and I'm hoping that will solve the issue. But can you see where this is? Have a look at, obviously look at where that is, this brown pipe. Let me try and get it. Look where it is. I mean, how the hell am I supposed to do that in there? Let me just get you. It's right under there. I mean, how on earth am I supposed to work in here, let alone film it? Managed to split the pipe. Now it's trying to get this off without damaging the one, that T-piece. There we go, that's off. Right, so the bit here was the bit that was split. See, there's the split. Amazing. And all that problem was that. Right, if I can reattach this pipe. Oh, it's just so awkward to try and do it. How do you get two arms in there? I literally can't see a bloody thing. I can't put my hands anywhere. It's just crazy. This is. I don't know how people bloody do this on seats. Get these seats installed. That's just madness. I can only do it one-handed, so this is going to be impossible to put that pipe on. Right. So let me get the. So I've got it. I've managed to get it back on. As you can see there, it's all reattached. I've took the block out. I can't hear any leaks, which is a good sign. Now let's test it. Let's test the seat. So this is the adjustment for down. So that's going all the way down. Up. No leaks. Oh mate, I think it's worked. Hey, it's worked. We fixed the seat, guys. We fixed the leak. We've done it. So although we bought that bit, that was split anyway, so that was good to replace that because that's sorted. A new bit. The actual leak for the problem where it was going up and down was on that little T-piece, and yeah, I can't. There's no leaks. It's literally holding air. That's great. That's brilliant news. Right, let's see. Let me just turn it on. Turn the ignition on. That's what we're going to be loud. Right. And we have air holding. Bloody hell, it's 7:45 at night. As you can see, it's dark. It's getting quite dark. I mean, it's still, the sky's still all light, but yeah, the street lights are, and lights at the chippy are on. Yeah, 12 minutes to 8. Yeah, we're holding air and the seat works. Success, guys. Be sure to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. It started off bad with this disaster, but that's not leaking air. There's nothing, no leaks on that, so that's good. The leak I've fixed underneath, and now the seat works. Success, guys, success. Yeah, give us a thumbs up for that. Right, I'm going to go inside now. I've got something to show you. It's a little bit exciting, so stand by. So this is alright today, guys. I might say that for another episode. Okay, so obviously I'll save that box till next time, but I went and picked up something today. I've got this little surprise. Whoa, look at that. Let me just turn the dining room lights on. There we go. Look at this. Oh, I can't wait to get this on this is a stack straight pipe that's going to go up the back of the cab. We've got it's got a tractor cap on it. Look at that. Look at that beautiful piece of pipe. I've got some horns here as well. Only cheapy jobs, but I'm going to try them first, get some air to them, give them a power up and see what they sound like. If they're crap, I won't use them. If they sound good, why not just attach them to the truck for now? Cheapy jobs. I can't really afford a nice £300 set of horns, so I just got like a £20 cheap set off eBay, so let's give them a go. But what these are for, I'm going to, because on the back of the truck it's going to have straight light bars, I'm going to have a go at making my own. Why not, you know, have a go at making them instead of spending 300 or 400 quid on light bars. So I picked up this as well as I picked up the exhaust today, and yeah, I've got some end caps. Actually, I'm going to go and get them end caps and just see if they fit, because that could be a fail. So let's have a look. Do these fit? Let me just get you. Yes is the answer. That looks nice, doesn't it? You know, if I chop a few sections out of that one, I think I'm going to have one for the complete back of the cab to have red lights on, and I've got a couple of spotlights for the back. So that will be a complete pipe across the back, and then one of them will be chopped up into smaller light bars for the lights and the very back end. So they'll go attached underneath the light box, one in the middle, and then another one on the other light. So I'll chop those up. I've got the lights in the carport ready, so they can be installed. Obviously, I'm just going to wire it all up and fuse it and everything like that. But yeah, so why not make my own light bars? I'm going to give that a go. That's going to be a future episode. So please subscribe, turn on notifications, and yeah, keep updated with the Juicy Lucy project. Hopefully they go a little bit more smoother than the seat problem I just had. But I've got it sorted now. The seat works. But look at that stack. Isn't that a beaut? I've got a bracket there. So as I said in the introduction video, I've got my mate Nick, who's coming around, is going to weld me a system. So the back support will be clamped to that joining clamp. This one will be up here somewhere, and that will be on, and that will be supported by the other piece of the support system, which is also going to be the box for the airlines and the Susie electrical connections. So that's all going to be in one. So as soon as he gets that over to me and we try that on the truck, we're going to try and get that to stack straight pipe on the truck and see how it looks. I've measured it, so I know it's exactly right, the measurement. And obviously I've got to buy a flexi hose and go from there to the turbo connection, and then we can fire her up and see how she sounds with that pipe. So please guys, give us a like on the video, give us a comment down below. It helps with the algorithms on YouTube and spread the word around. But thanks a lot for watching, and we'll be back with another episode working on Lucy. Thanks for watching.